Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your resources or your infrastructures on the Clash of Clans game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash of Clans game on your device, and once you are taken into your home base, if you wish to upgrade any of the resources that you have, then you can simply tap on it and you will see the cost of upgrade as well as the upgrade button. If you can afford this upgrade, go ahead and tap on it and then tap on confirm in order to start the upgrade process. You can wait for the time that is displayed in order to finish the upgrade, or you can finish it right away by spending a few gems. Once the upgrade is completed, the infrastructure will be ready to use once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to upgrade your infrastructures on the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.